Okay. Oh, hi there. Alexis Rondeau here. This is Whiteboard Mastery. I just got back from a quick bike ride through Berlin in the early summer. It's beautiful outside, and today I want to share with you a way for you to think about whiteboarding as a way for you to change your future and really get to where you need to go, where you want to be. And I'm super excited about this. Uh, this format that we're going to do is inspired by Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels, who has the tagline, "You're just one funnel away from something you want." From just one funnel away from building your business, you're just one funnel away from uh, sharing your message. And the same way I wanted to share with you, you're just one whiteboard away from. So what are here are things that you're just one whiteboard away from. The first thing, you're just one whiteboard away from clarifying that breakthrough idea. So as I've mentioned before, you have this great idea in your mind. You've mulled it over many hours, many days, many months maybe, and whiteboarding is the place and the time where you can get it out of your system, put it onto the board, and start working with that idea actively instead of just having it on your mind. So you're just one whiteboard away from clarifying that breakthrough idea of yours. You're also just one whiteboard away from solving that really annoying problem. So if something is stuck in your head, something that bothers you, something that you can't get over, this may be personal, but this could also be professional, or in a relationship, put it out there. Grab a pen, get a whiteboard, and just start drawing it out. Because once it's out there, you will find a solution. So do that. You're just one whiteboard away from finding your one true focus. So in modern life, with all our distractions and all the options that we have, it's so easy to feel overwhelmed. And you can use whiteboards perfectly to start prioritizing and ranking things that you could do, should do, and must do. And that focus is incredibly valuable. You're just one whiteboard away from having that moment of sweet clarity. So just sometimes you just got to put stuff out there and you don't even know where it's going. You're not trying to solve a problem. It's not to figure out an idea. Sometimes you just got to just throw it all out there and take a step back, right? So being able to putting it out there and taking a step back, I promise you, will give you clarity that you didn't have before. And with clarity comes certainty and decision making, and that's obviously an immensely powerful thing to have. If you're a technologist, then you're just one whiteboard away from mapping out that system architecture. So it's so easy. So I'm an engineer myself by trade, and it's so easy to get stuck with this perfect system in your mind if you're building software or if you're building a machinery. And alone by yourself and with others, it's so much more. It's going to be so. It's going to be there's such a shift in how you start talking about a system and how you're going to design it. And so, in doubt, grab a whiteboard, take your partner that you're working with, or just by yourself, and start drawing boxes and draw arrows and just start discussing it out loud instead of thinking it inside. So super powerful. And if you're into marketing, like I've been really obsessed with marketing recently because I think it's such an interesting thing, then you're just one whiteboard away from nailing that strategy, that the one strategy that will take your business and move it into the stratosphere, the rockets, the boosters on your rockets. And don't overthink it in your head. Don't rely on technology as much as rely on your instincts and on your ability to design and explain and rationalize what will get you from where you are right now, you and your business in this case, to where you want to be. So you're just one whiteboard away from getting to where you need to be. Of course, if there's many other things that you can do with the whiteboard, right? I just wanted to give you a few pointers to what is in it for you. So That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found something that resonates with you. My name is Alexis. This is Whiteboard Mastery. It's all about getting what is stuck in your head out on the board so you can work with it much faster and much more effectively. So thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.